So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through quadratic formula method. The equation is given x square plus 6x plus 6 is equal to 0. So we have to solve it through quadratic formula method. So first we'll write the quadratic equation. X square plus 6x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the given quadratic equation. So if we convert it into a standard format, compare it with that. So it is the standard format of equation, quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so here we get the values a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 6. Okay, so here the roots of the quadratic equation we can get it through quadratic formula method. So the two roots of the quadratic equation, alpha beta is equal to minus b plus minus over of b square minus 4ac by 2a, this, okay, where b square minus 4ac is equal to the discriminant. So here we'll simply put the values. So it is equal to minus b, which is equal to minus 6 plus minus root over of b square, which is equal to, here let me take it a little bit downward. Okay, so minus b plus minus b square, which is equal to 6 square minus 4, a is equal to 1 and c is equal to 6. So by 2a, so 2 into 1. So this is equal to minus 6 plus minus root over of 6 square is 36, and this is equal to 4 into 1 into 6, that is 4 into 6, that is 24 by 2, and this is equal to minus 6 plus minus root over of 12 by 2. So this is equal to, minus 6 plus minus, this is equal to 2 root 3, root over of 12, that is 2 root 3, 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 root 3, yes, by 2, which is equal to minus 6 by 2 plus minus 2 root 3 by 2, which is equal to minus 3 plus minus root 3. So the two roots, they are, one is minus 3 minus root 3 and the other is equal to, beta is equal to minus 3 plus root 3. Okay, these are the two roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, minus 3 minus root 3 and minus 3 plus root 3, they are the two roots. So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through quadratic formula method. So here we will first write the quadratic equation. So we have 25x square plus 30x plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the given quadratic equation. If we compare it with the standard format of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we will have a is equal to 25, b is equal to 30 and c is equal to 7. So the two roots of the quadratic equation here, as per the quadratic formula, they will be beta. The two roots of the quadratic equation, they are minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a, where b square minus 4ac is the discriminant. So here we will simply put the values, that is minus 30 plus minus b square, that is 30 square minus 4 AC, 4 into 25 into 7 by 2a, that is 2 into 25. This is equal to minus 30 plus minus root over of 900 minus 4 into 25 is 100, 100 into 7 is 700 by 2 into 25, that is equal to 50. So this is equal to minus 30 plus minus root over of 200 by 50. Now 200 is equal to 10 into 10 into 2. So root over of this will be 10 root 2. So this is equal to minus 30 plus minus 10 root 2 by 50. So here 10 into minus 3 plus minus root 2 by 50. So this gets 5. So we have this is equal to minus 3 plus minus root 2 by 5. So here the two roots of the quadratic equation, they are minus 3 minus root 2 by 5 and another one is minus 3 plus root 2 by 5. These are the two roots of the quadratic equation, minus 3 minus root 2 by 5 and minus 3 plus root 2 by 5. These are the two roots. Okay. So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through quadratic formula method. So here it is given to solve the quadratic equation given by 16x square is equal to 24x plus 1 by quadratic formula method. So first we'll write the quadratic equation. 16x square is equal to 24x plus 1. So as you can see, it is not in the proper quadratic equation format. So that implies 16x square minus 24x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the proper quadratic equation format. So if we compare it with the standard format of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we will have a is equal to 16, b is equal to minus 24 and c is equal to minus 1. So the two roots of the quadratic equation, they will be as per the quadratic formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so here we'll simply substitute the values. So it will be minus b, so minus 24 plus minus b square, that is minus 24 whole square minus 4a, which is equal to 16, and c, which is equal to minus 1 by 4ac by 2a, equal to 2 into 16, which is equal to here 24 plus minus root over of, this is 24 square is how much? 576. Okay, minus 24 square, it is 576 plus 576. Okay, minus square is plus, minus, that is 16 into 4, that is equal to 64, into minus 1, that is minus 64. So minus 64, it becomes minus becomes plus 64 by how much? This is equal to 32. So this is equal to 24 plus minus root over of how much? 576 plus 4, that is 580 plus 60, 640. 640 by 32. Now 640 here is equal to 8 into 8 into 10. 8 into 8 is 64, into 10 is 640. So if you take root over of this, it will be 8 root 10. Okay, so that implies this is equal to 24 plus minus 8 root 10 by 32, which is equal to, if we take 8 common here, so it is 8 into 3 plus minus root 10 by this 32, so this is 4. So that implies it is equal to it is equal to 3 plus minus root 10 by 4. So the two roots of the quadratic equation, they are alpha, which is equal to 3 minus root 10 by 4, and beta, the other root, is 3 plus root 10 by 4. These are the two roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, so this is it.